Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Genie garage door opener after power outage or surge in 2026. So first of all, you just have to unplug the garage door opener from the power outlet. Then simply wait for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is going to clear any kind of temporary errors which is caused by the power surge. Then you just have to power it back on and move to the reprogramming. Now you need to simply locate the learn or the program button on the openers unit. It is usually located near the antenna wire or control panel. Simply press this particular button once until the indicator light starts blinking. This puts the system into the programming mode. Now you just have to press the button on your remote control or you need to enter the code on your keypad. Just wait for the opener light to blink or the door to move slightly. This confirms that the Wi-Fi has been successfully paired. So you need to repeat this for all the remotes if needed, and then you can simply test the system. Press the remote and make sure that the garage door opens and closes smoothly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.